to help and nurture and provide opportunities for our youth. And hence, while we invest in education, while we invest on our roads, while we invest in different aspects of the economy, we must also invest in different avenues for our youth. Sports is a very, very important part of a young person's life. Sports is not just about enjoying the game, but sports is a way of life. Sports teaches you to be a disciplined person. Sports teaches you to be a hard-working person. Sports teaches you tournament in Shillong, or having a tournament in Tura, or having a tournament in Jawai. Our Honorable Minister, he wants leagues and tournaments to be happening in every village, in every block, in every district.
I think that is commendable. I think he deserves a round of applause. I'm so happy to see my colleague, my former colleague in the assembly. And at the same time, I'm so delighted to see that he is a true leader. I have seen many leaders who just want to work while he is in the chair. But you are really led by example, that even though you are no longer in the chair or in the power, but you are still very vocal for your people. So thank you so much, Balam, for always there for the people of Nongkrem. Respected all the heads, especially of the Nongkrem Dorbar Pulut.
And it was affiliated to the Shillong Sports Association in 1982.